Okay, so in this question, it's asking us to fully simplify this fraction. Now, in order to fully simplify a fraction, we cannot leave a radical in this denominator. So in the bottom here, we have the square root of 6. That's called a radical. And in order to be fully simplified, we cannot leave a radical in the denominator, right? It's okay to have a radical on top, but not on the bottom, right? So how do we get rid of that? What we can do is we can multiply both top and bottom by the radical square root of 6, right? And if you haven't been taught this before, you might be wondering, why do we do that? Or why is that okay? All we're doing is we're taking this value, this quantity, and all we're really doing is multiplying it by 1. Because square root of 6 over square root of 6 is equal to 1. Any number divided by itself is equal to 1. Whether it's square root of 6 over square root of 6, or 10 over 10 is equal to 1, 99 over 99 is equal to 1, okay? 0.001 divided by 0.001 is equal to 1. 9 million divided by 9 million is equal to 1. Okay, any number divided by itself is equal to 1. So all we're doing is we're taking this top equation and we're multiplying it by 1. And any number is implied to be multiplied by 1 anyways. So we're not doing anything special here. Okay, so we're going to multiply both top and bottom by square root of 6. Okay, so this gives us 2 square root of 3 times square root of 6, that's square root of 18. And now we're going to get on the bottom 3 times square root of 6 times square root of 6 is 6. Okay. All right, so this square root of 18, can we take this and can we simplify it any further than this, right? By being fully simplified, what that means is to be fully simplified is to mean that it can't be simplified any further, right? So I'm going to take this 2 times square root of 18. So 18 breaks down into 2 and 9, right? 2 times 9 equals 18. I can do that. And then 3 times 6 is 18. Okay. So 2 times 9. What's the square root of 9? 3, right? So we can take that out of the radical, right? So we get 2 times 3 times the square root of 2. This 3 came from square root of 9 over 18. Okay. So we got 6 times square root of 2 over 18. Is there anything else we can do? What's 18 divided by 3? I mean, no. What's 18 divided by 6? 3, right? So we can get square root of 2 over 3. And that's our final answer. Should we try another one? How about square root of 3 over 2 times square root of 8? Okay, again, we have a fraction that has a radical in the denominator, which means that it's not yet fully simplified. So let's do something about that. What can we do? I think we have to multiply both top and bottom by square root of 8, right? In order to get rid of this radical on the bottom. Okay. So square root of 3 times square root of 8 is square root of 24. And this is going to be 2 times 8, right? Square root of 8 times square root of 8 is 8. Okay, we got 24, square root of 24 on the top. Can we break that down? Can we break down 24? So 24 can be broken down into 4 times 6, right? And on the bottom we have 16. Okay. So what is the square root of 4? 2, right? So you can take the square root of 4 out turn it into 2, right? So 2 times square root of 6 over 16. And then we can divide 16 by 2. So this becomes 1 over 8, right? So it's going to be square root of 6 over 8. And that's your final answer.